Hello, I'm Vedant Pandey, and today is the last series of Python episode. And in this video, we will do some mixed problem questions, coding questions on the topic class and function. So let's see, let's start. So question one is student information system. We have to make a student information system like project. So see what is the problem. First, create a class named student. Then the class should have a function named display that prints. So in the class student, we have to make function, and the name of function should be display. And after that, this function will print student name, roll number, and course. Create one object and call the function. After that, we have to create object and then we have to call the function. And this is the expected output. And by doing this question we will cover the concepts of class, object, function inside a class, and method calling. So let's see in VS Code how to do this question. First I'll make a file and I'll name it function and class. Mix.py. Okay, let's see the first question. First we have to make a class, and we have to make a class and name it student. Okay. Then inside student we have to make a function and name it display. So display, let's pass a parameter self, that is uh, nothing, a normal parameter. It will not do anything in the code. And after I'll create a name variable and I'll take input from the user. Enter student name, then roll number, integer type, enter student roll number. Then course, enter course. Then what we have to do, we have to print all these things. So first what our function will do, it will print the name. Mm, what I'm going to do, move to next line, and then student information. Information. Then student name, student name, student name, and after it name variable, then print student roll number, then print student course. After that, I have to make a object. Let make a object x1 equal the class student, and after that I have to call the object s1 dot. With help to object I have to call the definition function display. So see what I have done here. According to question, first see the question. See in question what we have to do. First we have to create a class, okay, and then inside class uh, we have to make a function display. And what is the work of this display function? It have to print the student name, roll number and course, and this is the expected output. So this should be our expected output: student name, roll number and course. Let's see: student name, student roll number, student course. Okay, all things are right. Let's see, run a, run and enter. Student name Rahul, roll number 78 and course is Python. So you can see student information: student name Rahul, roll number 78, and student course is missing. Why course is missing? Let's see one time more. Oh, here, see why course is missing, because I left here the in print function I will forget to write uh, the course variable. Let's after that it will be gonna write. First I have to delete it. Rahul, roll number 56 and course is Python. Now all things are right. The our output is same as expected output of the question, you can see here. So we have successfully done one question on this topic, mixed topic, class and object and function also. So that's how you will able to do the questions of class. Class is easy topic. When you solve a lot of problems, then you will build your logic, and you will able to write the syntax of the code. With the help of problem solving, you will be able to be you will be able to see yourself at a good level of coding. So practice is very important thing, very important. Let's see the second question. So our second question is, here is our second question: calculator using functions. So I think we have to make calculator using function and also using class. I think no, we have to make only using functions. So see the problem statement, create 4 different function. Okay, this problem is from function only: add, subtract, multiply and divide. After that, take two numbers from the user. We have to take two numbers from the user. We have to take input and then call all 4 function one by one and display the results, and our output should be the same as this output: addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Okay, so we have to make a calculator, and we have to simplify these two numbers. So let's see how to do. Let's see how to solve the second question. Second question is from only function. So what we have to do, we have to create 4 functions. Okay, multiplication, addition, division. So this function will add, and we are passing the parameter a and b. After that, this function, what it does, it will print sum of two numbers. I will use equal here. Then after, I will create a new function that will going to diff, add, now subtract. Then after, I'll pass the same parameter ab. It is your wish. If you want to pass cd, then you can pass that parameter. Any parameter you can pass, not av as same in all functions. Here is your choice. Okay, we will do, we will see how to do this. What I'm going to do, this function is going to take the subtraction from two numbers. So sum and this subtract. Let's suppose I'm writing a minus b equal, here nothing. I think I have to pass parameter a plus b. One thing I forget here, I have to pass the variables also. So what this print function will do, it will add and this will subtract. Again I'm writing wrong. Let's see, multiplication, what it will print, it will print product of two numbers is a into b. Okay, then I'll make another function that will going to divide. It will divide a and b. What it will does, division between two numbers is A divided by B. So what, B will divide A, okay. And after what we have to do, first we will create function, then we have to take input from the user. Okay, let's take number one as integer input. Enter. Okay, number two, also we will take this one integer type input. Enter the second number. Here enter the first number. After taking input, what we should do, we have to print all this. Print will make to the next line. Okay, we have to print addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. So here this print will move the program to next line, and then we will write the function call here, add, and in function call we will use arguments, parameters, number one comma number two. Num1 will go at the place of A and num2 will go at the place of B. Then the second function is sum, same num1 num2. After multiplication, num1 comma num2. Then division, num1 comma num2. So what will our program, what is the output of our program? These all should be output: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Let's see, is it running or not? Okay, it is running. It is asking the first number. So let's say first number is 8, second number is 2. So sum of two number is 10. 8 plus 2 is 10, minus a minus b is equal to 6, means 8 minus 2 is 6. Product of two number is 16. So 8 to the 16, and division between two number is 4. 2 4 is 8. So our output is correct. That how you will able to create calculator using functions, and that's how you will solve the second question of our problem. See, that was the second question. We have successfully solved this. Now let's move to next question. uh, First I will comment out this, and then after we will move to next question. So question 3 is rectangle class. Means it is from the class topic. So let's see the third question. Third question is from class topic and it is problem based on rectangle. So a problem statement is create a class named rectangle. Okay, we have to make a rectangle class. Then create two functions inside it. So inside of rectangle class we have to create two functions. First is area and second is perimeter. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to take length and breadth from the user and display area and perimeter. Okay, so with the help of class and function we have to print the area and perimeter of the rectangle. So this is the problem statement. Let's see how to do it. First see the simple output of this problem. Length and breadth is this, area is this, and perimeter is this. Okay, so let's see how to do this. First I will create a class rectangle. Okay, then after it I will create a function and name it area. Inside area I'll pass the perimeter. I'll pass parameters. First one is length, leng. Second one is breadth. Then what this will print, this function will print the area. Okay, area of rectangle. Area of the rectangle is, and what is the formula of area of rectangle? Length and breadth. Length into breadth. This is the formula. Let's create another function that is going to be perimeter. Perimeter is also in perimeter I want to pass the parameters length and breadth. Then it will also print the same, like perimeter of the rectangle is then length plus breadth. So what is the formula of perimeter? 2 into length plus breadth. I will keep inside parenthesis 2 into, always use arithmetic operators in Python, so, because this is not mathematics, it is Python, so remember that always use mathematical operators, otherwise your program will show some syntax error. So that's why I will use here a multiply. You can not left this multiply, and if you will left this and you will thought that This parenthesis means it will multiply with 2, but this our program will not take this as it is not a mathematics language. This is Python language, so always use arithmetic operators. Now after creating class and functions, we have to take length and breadth as input from a user. Let's take as number one integer data type input, enter length of rectangle, then number 2 is going to be integer data type input, enter the breadth of rectangle, then we have to create object. So let's create an object rect equal rectangle. Okay, now after creating successfully object, let's move to next line and call to the function react dot area, and inside this function I will call number 1 number 2 as perimeters or argument, whatever it is. Rect dot perimeter number 1 comma number 2. Let's see what will be the output of this program. I think this code is alright. Let's see. So it is asking the length of rectangle. Let's say length is 4 and breadth is 3. Something here is syntax error. Rectangle dot area missing one required positional argument breadth. In line number 54. So I have to write here length here breadth. Okay, now I have to change this. Length and here also length comma breadth. Now let's see what is the output of this program. 4 and 2. Again some line number 54 in module react dot area. Okay, dot area missing one required positional argument breadth. LN GTH BRE and DTH. Here I have forgotten parenthesis. Let's see. Now our output is correct. You can see area of rectangle is 8, 4 2 is 8, and perimeter is 4 4 2 2. 4 3 are 12. Okay, it is correct. Next question is fourth question. So try it by yourself. I'll let you know what is this question is saying. So it is a question on employee salary management. What you have to do, the problem statement is create a class and name it employee. So first you have to create a class and name it employee. Then create two functions that will display dot detail and annual dot salary. Then after take the following information from the user: employee name, ID and salary. These are the information you have to take from the user input. Then display the employee details. Then calculate the annual salary. So this is your task, and this is you can see the simple output of the task. So you can do this. This is very easy. First create employee class, then a two function, and then you have to take these three details from user, and you have to display the employee details. Like from detail you will able to display the details, and from annual salary function you will able to display the monthly salary of the uh, monthly salary of the employees. Okay, let's see the fifth question. Fifth question is from the bank account system. Problem statement is create a class and name bank account. So what you'll do, again you will create a class and name it bank account, then create three functions: deposit, withdraw and check balance. You have to create three functions inside their bank account class, and then initially keep the balance as 10,000. So initially you have to keep the balance as 10,000. So you have to create a variable balance and give it 10,000 value. Then ask user to deposit amount or withdrawal amount. Then after finally display the remaining balance. Sample output current balance, this deposit balance, withdraw, final balance. So inside function you have to use conditional statement if else, whether user want deposit amount or withdraw amount. So with the help of conditional statement if else, you will able to uh, give the choice to user that what he wants, deposit or withdraw. Then after your program will display the final remaining balance. So this is the sample output of the program. You can do it by yourself, and these two questions are easy. Like we have covered these three questions. This is same also like third one. So what I have done, we have less amount of time, so uh, due to less amount of time I have written the code, and now I'll show you. This is the code of fifth solution, that is mixed from class and conditional statement and function also. So let's see how you can do it if you are unable to do. So first I've created a class bank account, then I've created you can see four different uh, function. First is sale.balance equal 10,000. So this is default uh, amount is 10,000, so it is default, I can say, function. And after that this function is deposit function, so in that I passed amount as parameter. Self.balance equals self.balance plus amount. Self.balance, this one 10,000 equal 10,000 plus amount. So whatever amount you want to deposit, it will add to the self.balance, that is this one, that is currently 10,000 in the account. After that program will print the amount deposited successfully. So that is the deposit function, and this is withdraw function. So in withdraw, self comma amount here also is parameter, and if you can now see there, if you withdraw, then here is conditional statement. If amount is less than self.balance, then self.balance equals self.balance minus amount, print amount withdraw successful. So in if statement you can see, if amount is less than the self.balance, that is 10,000, if the amount is less than that 10,000, then only you will able to withdraw the amount, otherwise else print insufficient balance. If you will enter amount more than 10,000, then it is insufficient balance, so it will see, it will show that insufficient balance message. Now a check balance is another function, and self is passed parameter here. So what it will print, it will print current balance dot sell dot balance, that is 10,000. And sell dot balance, now after withdraw or deposit, it will show the current balance, this function. Now this is object account equal bank account, print initial balance, that is account dot balance, account dot balance. Balance is not here any. Okay, it will print the 10,000 initial balance. Now deposit amount equal int. So here deposit amount I'm taking from user input. After that account dot deposit amount, I am passing deposit amount as a argument or parameter to deposit function using account object. Now after that withdraw amount I'm taking from user input, and after that account dot withdraw amount I'm passing as a parameter or parameter or yes, parameter to the withdraw function. Then after account dot withdraw amount, I'm calling this withdraw function using this object, and after that I'm moving to the next line, and then I'm printing the account dot check balance. It will check the balance whatever you have done, if you have deposited or if you have withdrawn, then after the account balance will show the real balance after your work, after your whatever you want to do, deposit or withdraw, after a real balance will show in the last of this code. Let's see. Let's run this code. Let's see, I want to deposit 20,000. Amount deposited successfully. Enter withdraw amount. I want to withdraw 15,000 now. Amount withdraw successfully. Current balance is 15,000. Okay. 15,000, 20,000. Let's run one more time. I want to deposit 200 and I want to withdraw 1500. Amount withdraw successfully. Okay, 8,700 is the current balance now. You can see after withdraw 1500 rupees. Now let's see one more time. I want to deposit zero amount. Amount deposit successfully. Now I want to withdraw 1100. 10,000. 11,000 I want to withdraw. Current balance is insufficient balance. You can see now insufficient balance it is shown in the output. Current balance is 10,000. Okay, so that's how you will able to solve or write the syntax of that huge problem in Python programming. That's all. Thank you.